So today is my day for the Sew a Top challenge. If you're unfamiliar with what that is, Claire of Penguin and Pear put together a vlog tour that started 1 August and is going to go all the way to the 31st, and every day is a new vlogger. So today is my day. Yesterday was Anna of You Got Me in Stitches, so if you're coming over here from her channel, hi, I'm Megan. And then tomorrow is going to be Karen of So Little Time. So my top is the Grainline Studio Lark tee. This is actually one of the very first knit garments that I've ever sewn. And I sewed my first one back when I came home from my deployment back in 2017. And it was my very first knit garment. I didn't really know what I was doing, so I made some mistakes. And I kind of wanted to go back and revisit this pattern because I do get a lot of wear out of that shirt, even though it's not the best made. So some information for this shirt. Currently it is available in sizes 0 to 18. So the bust, sorry if you can hear my dogs in the background, they're a little crazy. Okay, so bust 32 to 44, waist 25 to 37, and then a hip of 35 to 47. Currently, Grainline, they are working on extending their pattern sizes though. So right now this is offered from 0 to 18, but they're working on making patterns up to a size 30. So I know all their new patterns that are coming out, they're going up to that range, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna go back and start grading their older patterns. So this top comes with a bunch of different options. So you get 4 neckline options. You get a scoop neck, a crew neck, a v-neck, as well as a boat neck, and then you also get 4 sleeve lengths. You get a cap sleeve, a short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve, and then a long sleeve. So that gives you 16 options, which you guys, I made all 16 for you so you guys can see what they look like. Yep, 16 shirts. Okay, but we'll get into that in a minute. So this Grainline also offers a sew along for this pattern, and then you can also purchase it in either a PDF or a paper copy. The PDF comes with files that you can either print at home or a file that you can send to a copy shop and they can print it for you and send it to your house. So yeah, I think that's kind of everything. Some notes real quick. The cap sleeve was my least favorite option. It felt kind of tight around my arms, so if you have a fuller arm, that may be something you would probably want to look into. I think the pattern does show the finished measurements for the circumference around the arm, but I did not like the cap sleeve. And then also for this shirt, this fabric, I wanted to make these all in like kind of a little bit different fabrics. So when I go to show you guys this shirt, I do bring attention to the neckline, and that is because this fabric is this is a really nice fabric, do not get me wrong. I think this fabric is great to work with, but I don't think it's good for making things that need some stretching of a neckline, because when I stretched it, it curled a lot, and so that's why the neckline is all kind of uneven. You see how it's like thicker there, then it's like almost non-existent right here, and then it gets really thick right here, and then it goes back to being like really tiny and weird, and that is just because when I was stretching it, it was curling, and yeah, it was kind of a nightmare. So I think this fabric, and I'll link all the fabrics in the description box as well, so I just want to let you guys know that if you do choose to use like a fabric like this or similar, be prepared to be frustrated with the neckline, or maybe cut the neckline a little bit longer. But other than that, I mean, this is really nice. I think this would be probably better off being used as like maybe a cardigan or like a really lightweight hoodie or something that doesn't need, like I said, for you to stretch something out to make a neckline. So I just wanted to be transparent with you guys on that. And let's see. Okay, and my favorite version was the scoop neck with the short sleeves, or I also like the crew neck with the long sleeve as well. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. I didn't really have any fit issues. Oh, I sewed the size 4. That's where my measurements put me, and it was perfect. Even the length was really good. It hit around probably like my mid hip. So if you wanted to wear leggings and have your bum covered, you'd probably want to extend it a little bit or lengthen it. And let's see, the pattern piece. Oh, I have the pattern pieces right here. Let me grab one out for you guys real quick. So the, okay, you're gonna hear some Velcro, I apologize. So this is like the shirt. I was really drafted for a woman's body. It's not boxy, and I'll show you what I mean by that is, so here is like one of the pattern pieces. You see how it kind of curves in like towards the waist and then goes back out to the hip. I actually really like that because it gave me a nicer fit than some of the other t-shirts I've been experimenting with, because this fits a little bit nicer to the body and isn't like super boxy and swallowing me up. So alright, so the next part of this video is going to be me showing you all 16 of these. I apologize if you guys can hear him chewing the bone, but hey, it's life with dogs, right? So anyways, the next part of this video is going to be me showing you all 16 of these shirts made up, and I have an info box on there to show you what view, or to let you know what view it is, what the content of each shirt is, and then what the stretch percentage is, because I think you need at least 40% stretch for those shirts. And yeah, it's a little bit of different editing style, so if you guys like that or like this video, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. I'd really like to know in the description box what your favorite view was. Do you have a favorite t-shirt pattern? And yeah, hopefully I'll be seeing more of you guys. I hope things calm down around here, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go because Morton's just chewing on the bone and Peanut is right here. Say hi. You guys haven't seen them in a while, huh? Alright, we'll get to it. Bye, guys. Oh, don't forget tomorrow, Karen from So Little Time. I'll put her channel in my description box. Alright, I'll be seeing you.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, magic stop for us.